reviews.
So the Anova immersion circulator. Some of you know about an immersion circulator or what sous-veeding is. Those little terms might have flown across your radar once or twice. This is something that I use wholeheartedly everywhere that I'm at in the world. We've been in situations where we had kitchens, but the kitchens didn't work. It has this little nozzle right here that's able to help bring the temperature up. It's very easy to use. Plug and play. Taking it out, this is what it looks like. Once I lock this in, I set it to the desired temperature. I can cook from scratch, which means if I like kale, I can vacuum seal some kale with some lipids, olive oil, something like that, some seasoning. Drop that bag here on the side. I take these, I love to use these little, they're like they're paper clips, but they're very efficient. And then once it's in there, about 8 minutes later at the desired temperature, you have the best kale that you could have without it being crispy, but kale is very fibrous, so it's at a point where it's just nice and soft. There's been a few times that we've cooked for a few hundred people, certainly not out of this vessel right here, but we were able to take 3 of the immersion circulators and we're able to bring the desired temperature up to where we needed it, and we brought our short ribs up to where we wanted them, and it was a total success. Another great thing is that you will generally never overcook your items, and I love to cook a piece of beef on there. Yes, I get it to what a steakhouse quality of medium rare is. We actually beat that. It cooks to 99% of accuracy. Sear the meat in the pan first, you drop it in your little bag, you vacuum seal it, you put it on here for the desired temperature, boom, it's ready to go. Or the reverse sear, where you just put it in the vacuum sealed bag, put it right on here, it just latches on in here. As it's in there, when it's done, you take it out and then you sear it on the stovetop.